To keep up with new MicroStation features and instructional videos, click the subscribe button today.
Let's say we want to create a tool that automatically creates a label including both the name and scale of the active model. With the new Python Assistant, we can do this even without any prior coding experience. First, navigate to the Python editor in the Utilities tab of the ribbon. Once this is open, click Create New Project. Type in a file name and click Save. Now we will write our prompt. Can you display the active model name and annotation scale in the terminal? After we finish typing, we will click the blue Enhance button that allows the assistant to alter the prompt to make it easier to code. Then click Send. The assistant will now generate a script for you to copy. Once this is complete, you can scroll to the bottom to see the assistant's confidence in it. Click Copy and paste the file into the middle window. Then click Run. You can see the name and scale appear in the terminal. Now we will go back to the assistant. Can you create a label that includes the model name and the annotation scale as shown in the terminal? We will once again click the blue Enhance button and then click Send. When the code is done generating, we will scroll to the bottom and repeat the copy and paste process. After you paste, click Run. You can see the label was placed in the model, but not in the proper location. We will update the script again. Can you update the script so that the label is placed by user click? Enhance the prompt as you have done before. And when the code is done generating, copy and paste the script into the middle window and run. When the script runs, we will navigate to where we want to place our label and click to place. As you can see, the font is too small and the layout is not optimal, so we will go back to the assistant. Can you update the script so that the label has 2 lines? One for the model name and a second below for the annotation scale. Also, can you provide a dialog window where the user can select the font size? Enhance the prompt before sending. After generating, we will copy and paste the script for a final time. Before running the script, delete the old label so it is not in the way. Click Run. You will see a window appear asking us to input the desired font size. We will type in 30 and click OK. Once again, click the desired location to place the label. As you can see, a label of appropriate size and layout is placed. Thank you for watching. Follow the channel to keep up with MicroStation.